Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today we are still continuing with New Year's balloon garlands, but today it's going to be a little bit and something different. As you know, as you've been following me, I like to make organic looking balloon garlands. I don't really work with the column shape balloon garlands. So today I decided to finally fulfill this requested video of making balloon columns. I am working with black and gold today, so I hope everything will turn out exactly what I'm thinking and how I am planning to do this whole thing. But you know me, anything can change. Everything I will be using in this video for this setup, I will link in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Also, every single balloon count, every balloon size will be in the description under the video as well. Let's go. Let's quickly go over everything that I have laid out over here. I am planning to use 11-inch chrome balloons, black balloons, and 12-inch, lots of gold stars. These are loose stars, and these guys over here are garlands. Then I have this base over here and a pole that you need to insert into this base. On top of this, I will be using my low temperature glue gun. And for now, that's about it. First things first, I want to deal with my bases and my poles. Before I assemble my pole and insert my pole into this base, I want to fill this base with water to give this base more stability. So let's go do that. My bases are filled with water. Let's quickly talk about them before we're gonna assemble them. I bought these two bases and these poles right here as a set of 2 for balloon column making. This whole thing came in with other things like balloon pump, plastic flowers to insert your balloons in, a whole bunch of rings. I am not using those extra things that they send me. I will be using just this. These poles are 61 inches in height and it cost me $16.99. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. So let's assemble them. It's pretty easy. You take your first pole, it doesn't have any other inserts like this, and you just start connecting them together. Reach desired height of your pole, you can insert your poles right into your base. Make sure it's all the way in, and that's it. These bases are great. I love it. They are pretty heavy and pretty sturdy. I did put a lot of water in these bases, but this structure over here, it could be more sturdier, but I mean, you can work with them, right? To blow all of my balloons, I am using my electric balloon pump from Dale Paper and Balloon Company, and these gold chrome balloons, they are from Dale Paper and Balloon Company as well. You can always use my code Anastasia10 at checkout at Dale Paper and Balloon Company's website for 10% off if you decide to purchase anything. We are making balloon columns today, so that means we need to pair our balloons. I will try to inflate every single balloon to the same size. I don't have those measuring boxes or tools. I never use them. I never had it, so I always eyeball my balloons. So I will try to blow them at the same size. So I am taking 2 balloons at the same time and blowing them at the same time as well. My balloons, and I am pressing them against the floor to give my balloons more rounder shape, and I am tying these 2 balloons together and creating a pair like this. I am not mixing up the colors. I am blowing black with black. My original plan was to use only black balloons and then give accent on my columns with gold balloons. I don't know if I'll have enough black balloons, so I might include some gold as well. We'll see. I am done blowing my black balloons. I want to wait blowing up my gold balloons because I want to pair my black balloons and see how many pairs or clusters I will get from all of these. So I'm taking 2 pairs like these and I am intertwining them together to create these clusters of 4. I made my first column. You guys, it is a lot easier than I thought it would be, honestly. I'm taking my first cluster of 4 right here. I am inserting this cluster right on my base. Make sure your pole fits between your balloons, and I am flattening my cluster flat against my base, against my floor. That's it. I'm taking my second cluster. I'm doing exactly the same thing, just like that, and I am flattening. So basically, it's nothing crazy that you need to do to construct your column. I've seen people taking a curling ribbon or fishing line or any other strings and kind of securing, weaving through all the balloons and securing the garland to make sure, but it holds really, really good and balloons are not going anywhere. Keep working, keep inserting your clusters on top of one another until you reach the top of your pole. I probably will be making more columns because this is actually fun and you can do so much with balloon columns. It's insane. So let's finish this up. As you just saw me putting these 2 clusters right on top of my poles, and there's not a lot of pole left to kind of grasp, for the balloons to grasp the pole. So I'm going to take my low temperature glue gun and secure my top clusters, just putting a little bit of glue and just gluing everything on to make sure the top won't pop off. I'm not gonna wait until my glue gun's gonna warm up, so I am using glue dots to secure top portion of my balloon column. You don't have to do this part, but I'm that kind of person that everything needs to be secured just to make sure. I don't know. So I'm putting 1 glue dot per balloon and kind of making sure that the top portion of my balloon column won't pop off at random time. You know what I mean? So let's go. These balloons are so dirty. Look at this. Time to work with our gold chrome balloons. Here is what I'm going to do. I didn't have 5-inch gold balloons, so I will try to blow my 11-inch balloons into the smallest balloons that I can. So let's try this out. Okay, so I am pumping a little bit of air into my balloons and I am pushing that air to the top of my balloon as hard as I can to create smaller balloon. Like that. I wish I could get them even smaller. I did my best to blow these balloons, gold balloons, to the same size. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. I wanted to use up some of my balloons. That's why I chose to use 11-inch balloons. But if you have an opportunity, if you have any other balloons in 5-inch that you want to use 5-inch balloons. It will be so much better, so much easier. I want to fill in spaces between my balloons, between those clusters, you know, there's like spaces right here. So what I'm doing is I'm not placing this balloon straight or right to the balloon. I'm trying to fill in this hole evenly, so I am going to be gluing my gold balloons right in the middle of that space. You guys, for the top of my balloon column, I blew my gold balloon to the bigger size, to 11-inch size, and I'm going to place it right on top to finish this up evenly and just to make it pretty. Now I'm going to twist my column and do exactly the same on the other side. What I want to do. Do I want to add my loose stars or not? I haven't decided yet. I know that I want to add my garlands right on my backdrop. I will pin my garlands. They look like this. This is very, very tangled, but you got the idea. Oh boy. Loose stars, I decided to use the smallest size stars. I will be using low temperature glue gun to attach these stars to my columns. I didn't see that my glue gun was off, so I need to wait again for my glue gun to heat up. So I am using, to speed this video up, I am using glue dots. The best glue dots that I've ever tried came from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. The best glue dots ever. Here is what I have for you guys today. Loving the whole thing, you guys. I am actually liking these columns. I would never thought that I would like them, but I do. I think I'm gonna try to make more columns on my channel, so stay tuned for that. I lost 5 to 6 balloons in black color. I have no idea why. I mean, I do have an idea. They had holes, but Amazon balloons, when you never worked with a company before and you try to order balloons, it's like a lottery. Sometimes you'll get good balloons from a company, sometimes bad balloons. I suggest, if you ever worked with a company and you loved their balloons, try to stick with the company and just order from them. Like right here, gold balloons, no problem with them. Qualitix, Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, great quality, always no complaints. So I attached these gold balloons with low temperature glue gun, so is the stars, and a little bit more about these columns. Of course, columns will look a lot better when your balloons are more uniform and same size. I wished for these gold balloons being a lot smaller than I have them here, but it looks great. I hope this will give you a great idea for your party. I am completely and totally obsessed with these gold star garlands. I am loving them. They are so cute. They look simple, but they do add so much to the whole backdrop. Even just having these garlands on their own without balloons will look so beautiful, you guys. Love it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. And I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. And quickly, I wanted to show you how this backdrop can look with lights or lighting in the back. I'm loving it. I will link my up lighting in the description under the video as well, so go ahead and check it out. This is it, you guys. This is what I have. This is my take on these balloon columns. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video, if this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any additional questions about anything, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will answer and I will try to help you to the best of my ability. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos. And you guys, I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.